Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can generate AI music for free. So if you want to use music for your videos and you're worrying about copyright, then don't worry no more. You just have to get a good lyrics and you can use Gemini to create the lyrics for you. You can use ChatGPT to create lyrics for you. You can use any AI to create lyrics for you. Now, this is the website that I'm asking you to go that we are going to use. It is aimusic.so. This music, you search it. So this is it. This generates AI music free online with music AI music generator. So this is it. So get started by signing up. We have already signed up. So I'm going to create. Okay. Now this is a music that I've created before and I can play one for you. So basically, let's do what we want to do fast. So I'm going to copy all the lyrics here that Gemini has created for me. So I copied it, then come back here, sit here. Now that I put it here, I choose custom because you can actually ask it to create lyrics for you. So if you do have lyrics from scratch, you can actually use this some description and everything to create lyrics for you. But for me, I have lyrics, so I'm going to paste it here. Then the next thing to do is you can use lyrics assistance to guide your lyrics to edit it better, to make it better. Mhm. Also, if you want it to make it to be a instrumental and not a music, if you just want something with instruments, then you're going to choose this. So because I'm not going to do that, so style of music, you can write them out or you come through this and choose. So I choose hopeful because it is gospel music that I want to create and it is so lifting. I choose so and then choose gospel and this demos then choose you want it to be slow and if you don't want to decide then you can still same very vocals as everything you can choose. So now we're going to choose you see gender, you see male, you see female, you see, then the title is very important. And our title exchange culture. That is my title. That is the title of the music. Let's see what is going to be created today. Generate music. Let's see what is going to create. And give it a few minutes. Music that is created. Now I'm going to play it to you guys. This thing, I'm going to forward it. So let me know what you feel about it. Let me know what I'm talking about it. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and ask me any question and suggest what you want me to create next. Yes, I can send this and I can upload this to music, any music platform for us to access it. And I see you later. Thank you very much. So the last part, let me show you the last part. So if you ask me, is this thing free to download? No, it's not free to download. In fact, everything you have to pay for it. But there's a way to do it. The way I go about it is to copy the share link, copy the link, then go to another platform. The name of this platform is amoshare.com. I'd already highlighted it for you guys to see. This is the name of the platform, amoshare.com. So I already downloaded the desktop app, the desktop app. You paste the link here, paste the link here, then paste it and you start to download it. So that is how you're going to do it. So let me try it for you to see. This is share. I already copied it. Now I'm going to this desktop. I have to paste the link Okay, let's see if you are able to download it before you reach the maximum. It's downloading, guys. It's downloading. It's downloading, guys. It's downloading to my local. See, it's the exchange of Bavaria and it's converting to music. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.